Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get avatar sticker on Instagram story. The first thing you will need to do is open the Instagram app. From here, you're going to tap on the plus like you'll normally do, then select story. Next, you can select a photo or a video that you'd like to upload to your story. I'll select this photo. Then you're going to tap on the sticker icon in the top right hand corner right beside the capital and common A, and you will see the option avatar. You're going to tap on that, then tap on create avatar. From here you're going to select get started. Then you'll select the skin tone that you would like your avatar to have. Then you can choose an hairstyle. There are numerous ways you can personalize your avatar. Once you're finished, you'll tap on done in the top right hand corner. Tap on save changes and you can see that it is updating. Then tap on next. Now you can select the avatar sticker that you would like to use. For example, this one right here. Now you can tap on your story in the bottom left hand corner to upload your story. And now whenever you go into stories, you will have your option of selecting avatar sticker. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.